Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the affiliate program feature in System.io. We'll go through the affiliate settings, configure commissions and payouts, create affiliate proxy links, and show you how to set up an affiliate program for your products. And if you want to try System.io for free, check the link in my description. So let's get started. We just have to log in the System.io account. So once you're in this dashboard, click the profile icon and look for the settings. From this menu, look for the affiliate program and select it. So this page lets you configure how affiliates will promote your products and how they be rewarded for successful referrals. And you'll see at the top you will see the options to connect your Wise account for payouts, and if you plan to pay affiliates through Wise, you just simply click it and follow the setup process. You'll also see the PayPal payout automations becomes available once your account generates more than 25 invoices per month. And you'll see here the default commission settings. So this determine the percentage affiliates will earn for every successful sale. Like for example that it's set to 40%, but you can increase or decrease it depending on your business. And if you want to reward affiliates for referring other affiliates, you can use the second tier affiliate commission option. Otherwise, you can simply leave it at 0%. And below the minimum payout amount, this is the affiliate must earn before becoming eligible for payout. You'll also see the default payout delay. This is specifies how many days you'll wait before releasing affiliate commissions, giving you time to account your refunds or chargebacks if necessary. Then next is you can enter your vendor name. This is the name of your affiliates will see when promoting your products. And if you'd like affiliate to view the email address of the leads, they referred, you can simply check the box below, or if not, you can leave it unchecked. Once you're finished configuring the settings, click the save button in the top right corner to apply the changes, and now scroll down to the affiliate proxy links section. So this allow affiliates to promote the website using branded URLs while still tracking their referrals correctly. So we just have to click the create button and enter the required information. Choose the destination page you want to affiliate to promote and save your changes. Your affiliates can then use these links to send traffic while the referrals are tracked automatically. And that's all there is to setting up the affiliate program in System.io. With your commission settings, payout preferences, and proxy links configured, you're ready to let affiliates start promoting your products. And that's it. That's how to use the affiliate program in System.io. Setting it up only takes a few minutes and gives you everything you need to manage affiliates and reward them for promoting your business. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching on this one. I'll see you on the next time.